Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Get ready with me for the first day of school. I'll try to show as much as I can because I leave in like 45 minutes. Guys, I already had my breakfast. I just didn't shower. I typically don't really shower before I eat, but this morning I did not. Which is bad because now I have like 15 minutes to get ready. Well, only thing is that's all for me to do is like the shower. So I'm gonna wash my face. So I'm currently using this soap right now. My cousin gave me it. I'm sorry, I ripped off the thing. So yeah. So like after I put this on, I'm gonna shower and then I'll be back. Cause if you know me, you know I'm very slow. But I have to try to hurry up this morning. But yeah, I'm gonna wash this off probably while I'm showering or when I'm back from showering. I'm not sure, but okay. So I'm ready. This was probably a horrible get ready with me, so I'll turn it into a spend the day with me. So stay tuned for the rest of the video.
Just get an EKG because he has other abdominal pain after he eats.
Gastric, yeah. So I mean, we do want to rule on any cardiac involvement. That would be good. Yeah. See, look, he's thinking of that ER. Always want to, yeah. Always check. Actually, always have your colon removed. I think that's a made-up word. Anastomosis.
What do you think that is?
I think it's something with an ostomy and a reanastomosis, right? You reanastomosis, like if you had your valve, but then you reconnected it, is a reanastomosis. Connected you ends and surgically put them back together. I tell you, it's snipping the vagus nerve and stalling, Ellis's, you know, like where you have the pancreatic tumors that are causing oversecretion of your gastric acid. Sometimes in severe cases that aren't treatable in other ways, they end up doing surgical snipping the vagus nerve. Very rare that ZES, you know, that's a very rare condition. But that is a surgical treatment.
You're following you on the podium.
For several years. It's mentioned in it.
Okay.
Watch me go
down. Well, the time we had last night. I just finished my first chemicals. So I look so rough right now. Oh my goodness. Like my hair is all pulled out and everything, but I came here Fox Meadows to like celebrate my first day. So yeah, it's like an ice cream shop. Like the lighting is very bad and I look awful because I'm running on like 5 hours of sleep or less than that. I don't remember, but yeah guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna try it now. So ooh. I might have a upper glycemia after this. I need water. Thank you guys so much again for tuning in, and yeah, but like I'm so exhausted. Like it was so much, like it was unbelievable, so much. And it's basically us teaching ourselves too, so that makes it worse. But I'm just gonna do my best and leave it in God's hand. So I guess I'll try to vlog this journey with me. Probably not, I don't know, because I'm gonna be, let me show you guys how many papers I print just today for like just 2 weeks of class. It's like so much, like all this I'm supposed to know all this, and this is the summarized version. So you know that's a lot for real. Just gonna leave it to the Lord, as I said. But yeah, I know I didn't really vlog much, but I was just so frustrated, to be honest. So I'll try to vlog more and get more comfortable with vlogging. But like, I'm so frustrated right now. I'm so sorry. My head is hurting still, but what can I say? What can I say? I chose this. I can do this, and I will do this. Bro, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute, please. Guys. And then I just heard a bad news too. Like, I can't even say, but just makes things worse, you know. But I have an idea. I can do what's in my bag to make you guys see a bit. So I have my laptop, a book, my phone charger, because yeah, the last time I left my phone charger, it was a mess. And candy. Say hi to YouTube, Tyler. So yeah, guys, bye. Hey guys, so this is a part of my vlog. I'm trying Chipotle. Like, I ate it before, but I only typically get cheese, rice, and chicken. That's it, and that's not good. So no, I told my sister, well, I told Tyler that I'll have anything you're having, you know, because they be knowing the good stuff. I think this is cheese, rice, chicken, lettuce. My sister said to mix it up, so I'm gonna mix it up. I'm telling you, this doesn't look pleasing, but I'ma just trust the process. Trust the process. That it's all about trusting the process, huh? But I'm gonna put it in the microwave first. But if it doesn't taste good, I'll just add mayo. So I'll be back when I'm trying it. I like 5 o'clock now. I'm in a pajama already because it's been a long day. This is what happens when you get older. Okay, when you get older, just work, come back, you just want to go to your bed, you know. But I actually won't sleep until 12 or 1. Well, I hope I go to bed earlier, but okay. Okay. I don't even know where to start. I don't even know where to start because, like, this is not my go-to thing, you know. But here we go. No, this doesn't have anything. Probably have to eat everything together, you know, to get the real deal. Okay. I think I have a little of everything. See, whenever life gets you down, just get right back up. You see how I didn't let that phase me? Okay. Here we go. It's not bad, but I'm gonna add mayo. Okay, I add my mayo. It's not a lot because they say that mayo makes you gain weight, but I've been eating mayo all my life, and look at me. But let's see, and it's gonna be busting now. If it wasn't busting before, it's gonna be busting right now. Okay. Oh yeah. I feel like this is a mind thing because I feel like it's gonna be a lot different. But trying to be healthy-ish. This needs salt. Like, I don't like lettuce without salt. But remember, I said I'm trying to be healthy. Chipotle without the mayo and everything. A 7. Because it's not insipid. So a 7 is, I believe a 7 is fair. Like, it's not the best thing I've ever had, you know? It's not something I'll be like, oh, I want Chipotle, oh, I want Chipotle. Like everyone. Well, majority. But it's definitely a 7. It's not something I'll be crazy over. Probably I have to try something else. But if you have any suggestion that I can try that you think is good, just comment down below, okay? And I'll try it and let y'all see my reaction. Because you know, my face don't lie. So, yeah.